Here's a quick run through of this 17-ounce can style mock-up, animated mock-up. Let's get rid of this black layer first. So let's go to your layer stack, bottom right, and hit the eye icon there, or throw it in the bin. If you should see a timeline at the bottom here. If you don't, you just need to go to Window, Timeline, and then you see this little scrubber here to go preview your work. To add your design to the tumbler, you come down here and it says double click Smart Object. And it says step 2, double click this layer. Don't go in there and change anything, because that's, you shouldn't have to change, well, you definitely won't have to change anything in here, and you keep this one hidden, otherwise it interferes with the actual design. So let's double click that now. Here's your design. So that's my one there. Go File, Place Embedded, and then navigate onto your hard drive to your design. I could put something on here. Let's have a look. Once your design's on there, obviously this isn't the right size, but yours will be. Close this and it'll prompt you to say, do you want to save it? Say yes. Then close this one. Again, say yes. There's your design on the tumbler. Check it through with this preview tool. When you're ready and you're happy, go to this burger menu here and you'll see render video. I would stick to all the defaults, but if you know what you're doing, you can change these. Just need to set a name and set a folder where you want to save it, and click render. And then depending on the speed of your machine, it'll take a minute or two. Okay, I won't do it again. Just remember where you saved it, and then do what you like with the video. If you've got your own background, you can double click this Smart Object and just File, Place Embedded there, put it on top of mine or delete mine. Other things to do, you can turn off various things such as the shadow. It's all within this folder called Tumbler, so you click that and click that, and there's the shadow and other effects. There's different levels of reflection and diffuse. Play around with them, try switching them on and off if you're not happy with the level of reflection. If you want to change the colour of the tumbler and you've got a lot of transparency in design like I have, you can come to this layer here, it's called the can color, and you just double click the color overlay, and there you can change the color of the can. And I think that's everything.